Hello and welcome to another video. Today's topic is again rewriting rational expressions. Let's see um, what we have here. Question number one says this, if a equals to b square, what is the value of a? So b square into b cube equals to 32. Okay, let's square both sides and get rid of the root b power 5. What's 32 power 2? 1024. Okay, and 1024 also has a fifth root, I think. So the fifth root is 4. So a equals to 4 squared, 16. I'll have to take a common denominator here. Y plus 2 into y minus 2. That should give me y square minus 2 square, which is y square minus 4. This gets multiplied with y minus 2, and this gets multiplied with y plus 2. So I get y square minus 2y plus y square plus 2y. So I get 2y squared over y squared minus 4. That should be the correct answer to this. Question number 3. So I get x squared plus 3x plus 3x squared plus 6x. And x plus 2 and x plus 3. So 4x squared plus 9x. Okay, there's something common here, so let's see what matches. I think the first one matches, yeah. Evaluate the expression this and its value at a equals to 1 and b equals to 2. I could take a common denominator first and then do it, but I see the expression will become more complicated because I don't have the same denominator on both. So 2 over 3 plus 4 over minus 1. So that's 2 over 3 minus 4. Just do that on a calculator. Why do that manually? Uh, yeah, that should be the final answer. That's minus 3.33. Okay, more complicated expression on the way. uh, I'm taking the common denominator in the numerator, so that's xy divided by 1 divided by x square minus y square. Okay, so this becomes x into x minus, no, not x into x. The common denominator is y, so x minus y in the numerator divided by. This can be written as x minus y into x plus y. I'm doing that because I see something canceling out and I want to ensure that happens. 1 over xy, x plus y. Okay, so over 72. I don't want to do this manually because I think that can be done on a calculator. It's not useful wasting time on this. Okay, then what's the common denominator here? It's a cubed. So 5a minus 4 minus a times 3a plus 8. If a is minus 1, okay, so let's first, now that I've done most of it, let's get So a is minus 1. So 5 times minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 times minus 1 squared minus 24 times minus 1 over minus 1 cubed. So I get minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 plus 24 over minus 1. So 24 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3. 12 minus 12. Have I made a mistake? I shouldn't be getting a negative answer, to be honest. Maybe the SAT allows it now. Yeah, minus 12. Answer cannot be a negative number. Okay, so let's check our working again. If a cube is in the denominator and I cube minus 1. Okay, let's check. I'm not sure what a mistake I made. It's minus 3a squared. We're getting a very small number here. Why am I getting such a large number here? Oh, okay. This should be 8a. 8, 8 plus 8. Okay, that should solve my problem. That's minus 4 over minus 1. That's 4. Okay, then what is the value of d over a? So let's first factorize this because I see something cancelling out. Okay, and then you cross multiply. 13d equals to 12a plus 12d. So d equals to 12a, d over a equals to 12. Let's look at the next one. It says if p square q equals to 63 and 4q equals to 9p, then what is the value of p cubed? So q equals to 63 over p square. 9p. So 9 times 7 is 63. 28 equals to p cubed. I see lots of things cancelling out here. Let's try to cancel out and then see if we can end up with our correct answer. So z square and the numerator, and then another z. So there's a z in the numerator, and x cancel out. Okay, so I have 4x cubed z. That should be answer option A. Yeah. Okay, that is the end of medium level questions. I'll be back with hard questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.